Hello DIY enthusiasts, welcome to Nolofax, your trusted channel for discovering the latest tool innovations. Stay tuned to see which gadgets are transforming the industry and how they can help you achieve success in your projects. Proxxon BSA Cordless Belt Sander is perfect for those intricate, detailed sanding jobs where precision and control are key. Weighing just 2 pounds, it's light enough for extended use without causing fatigue, and its cordless design makes it easy to reach tight spots. The sanding head rotates 60 degrees at the push of a button, giving you flexibility for any angle, while its adjustable speed from 200 to 700 meters per minute lets you tackle different materials with ease. This powerful portable tool comes with 4 sanding belts, a charger, and a sturdy carrying case. The Makita Shredder UD 2500 is a powerful electric garden tool designed to make yard maintenance effortless. It efficiently shreds branches, leaves, and organic waste, turning it into fine mulch that's perfect for composting. With its 2,500-watt motor, it handles branches up to 45 millimeters thick and stores the waste in a large 67-liter collection box for convenience. Quiet, portable, and equipped with safety features, it's ideal for homeowners and gardeners looking for an eco-friendly solution to reduce and recycle garden debris. Meet the Milwaukee Heated Jacket M12, which is built to keep you warm and comfortable in the cold, powered by Milwaukee's M12 battery technology. It features carbon fiber heating elements across the chest, back, and shoulders, providing adjustable warmth with 3 heat settings. The quick heat function kicks in within 30 seconds, offering instant warmth that lasts up to 8 hours. Made from durable wind and water-resistant materials, this jacket is perfect for construction workers, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone needing reliable warmth in cold conditions. The Klein Tool Magnetic Wire Puller is a game-changer for anyone working on electrical installations. Its powerful rare earth magnet system allows you to easily fish wires through tight spaces without causing any damage to walls or structures. The 2-part magnetic system, with a leader magnet and guiding magnet, ensures smooth wire navigation, even around obstacles. Lightweight and durable, this tool makes wire pulling faster and more efficient, saving both time and effort for electricians and installers. The E-Tape 16 digital tape measure is a cutting-edge tool designed for accuracy and ease, perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With its real-time digital display, you can instantly switch between inches, feet, and metric units, ensuring precise measurements every time. Whether you're working on home projects or need precision in the field, its lightweight design and memory function make it convenient and efficient. Built to withstand tough environments, the E-Tape 16 blends traditional measuring with modern tech, making your tasks easier and more accurate. The Milwaukee Pipeline Locator is a professional tool designed for the precise detection of metal and plastic pipelines, as well as electrical cables. It uses advanced radio frequency technology and 3D antennas with a detection range of up to 4 meters, making it suitable for various environments like construction and system inspections. Its color LCD interface ensures easy and quick operation, reducing training time. Housed in a rugged IP65 enclosure, it's built to withstand harsh conditions, while the ergonomic design and 8-kilogram weight provide user comfort and reduce fatigue during extended use. The Makita 18-volt LXT rebar tying tool is designed to make rebar tying a fast, effortless process for construction professionals. Weighing only 5.7 pounds, this cordless tool delivers up to 120 ties per minute, reducing fatigue and saving time on large jobs. It handles a variety of rebar sizes and features adjustable tension for precise tying. Powered by a Makita 18-volt lithium-ion battery, it can deliver up to 5,300 ties per charge, making it a game-changer for concrete reinforcement, bridge construction, and precast projects. With its compact design and high efficiency, it's ideal for professionals who need to maximize productivity on the job site. The Navac NTB-7L Power Tube Bender is designed to deliver effortless precision for bending tubes in HVAC, plumbing, and refrigeration work. This tool allows for bending copper, stainless steel, and aluminum tubing without kinks, making it perfect for professionals. With a lightweight build of just 8.6 pounds and a rechargeable 18-volt lithium-ion battery, it offers cordless mobility and power for up to 200 bends per charge. The bender can handle tube diameters from 6 mm to 22 mm and bends up to 90 degrees. The automatic system makes the bending process quicker and less labor-intensive, enhancing both productivity and work quality. The Wagner 725 Power Steamer is a perfect tool for homeowners looking to tackle tough wallpaper removal or deep cleaning jobs using nothing but steam. With its 1500-watt power, it quickly heats up to deliver steam that softens adhesives, making it easy to strip wallpaper without chemicals. It's also versatile, with 2 steam plate sizes, one large for broad surfaces and another smaller one for corners and tighter spaces. Plus, with a 1-gallon tank providing up to 70 minutes of steam and a long 12-foot hose for flexibility, this steamer is both powerful and easy to use. The Masterpiuma P3 Tile Cutter is a precision tool designed for professionals who need to handle a variety of tiles, including ceramic, porcelain, and glass. It provides effortless cutting with its ergonomic handle and robust construction, ensuring clean, accurate cuts. With a cutting capacity ranging from 63 centimeters to 125 centimeters, depending on the model, and a thickness limit of 22 millimeters, it's perfect for large tiles. The tungsten carbide scoring wheel, along with its patented braking system, guarantees smooth operation, while the adjustable measuring guide enhances precision, making it an essential tool for tilers looking for reliability and efficiency. The Camo Lever tool is designed to make decking installations smoother and faster, whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast. It can clamp boards up to 3.5 inches wide and weigh just 5 pounds, making it lightweight and easy to maneuver on the job site. With one-handed operation, it locks boards in place, straightening and aligning them effortlessly while ensuring tight gaps and consistent spacing. Constructed from durable, corrosion-resistant steel, this tool speeds up installation, eliminates the need for a second helper, and works perfectly with composite, PVC, and hardwood materials. The Greenworks Pro 80-volt 500 CFM blower is a cordless, high-powered leaf blower that makes yard cleanup a breeze. Weighing just 8.9 pounds, it's lightweight, yet packs a punch with a 500 cubic feet per minute air volume and speeds up to 125 miles per hour, perfect for clearing large areas efficiently. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, while the variable speed trigger and turbo button provide precise control and extra power when needed. Powered by an 80-volt lithium-ion battery, it delivers up to 30 minutes of runtime, making it ideal for professionals and homeowners alike. The Irwin Quick Lift Jack is an essential tool for any professional or DIYer needing to lift, align, or position materials with precision. Capable of lifting up to 330 pounds and raising materials up to 10 inches high, it simplifies tasks like installing doors, cabinets, and windows. Its precision-controlled lowering mechanism allows for easy adjustments, while the no-load quick-release system adds efficiency, making solo projects smoother. Weighing only 5.59 pounds, it's lightweight yet sturdy, perfect for navigating tight spaces on job sites. The Grabo Pro Smart Lifting Tool is an innovative device perfect for lifting heavy materials with precision and ease. Powered by a 14.8-volt 2.6 Ah Li-ion rechargeable battery, it provides up to 1.5 hours of continuous use with a full recharge time of just 2 hours. With a powerful vacuum pressure of 11.6 psi, the tool can lift up to 375 pounds on smooth surfaces like glass, and 220 pounds on rough materials, such as concrete. Compact and lightweight at just 3.3 pounds, it's designed for portability and ease of use on construction, renovation, or industrial jobs. The Grabo Pro ensures safe handling with smart pressure sensors and a quick release button for efficient material movement. The Bentsai Handheld Inkjet printer is an innovative tool designed for a wide range of uses, from industrial to creative applications. Its compact design and easy-to-use interface make it perfect for printing on various surfaces like wood, plastic, metal, and even fabric. With a 4.3-inch color touchscreen, it provides real-time control over printing settings, while its rechargeable battery ensures up to 8 hours of continuous use. Lightweight and highly portable, this device is ideal for professionals who need flexibility in marking and labeling tasks, as well as for artists looking to personalize their work. The XSTO ZW7200G Stair Climber is a robust, motorized tool designed to help professionals easily transport heavy loads, such as furniture, appliances, and cargo, up and down stairs. With a 200-kilogram carrying capacity and aluminum alloy construction, it's both strong and lightweight. Its rechargeable battery provides cordless convenience, while the safety brake system ensures secure operation on stairs. This stair climber is especially useful for industries like construction and delivery, making stair transport more efficient and reducing the need for extra labor. The Stinger CN 100B cap nailer is a pneumatic tool designed for roofing, siding, and other sheathing applications. It holds 200 caps and 200 nails per load, allowing for efficient, uninterrupted work on large projects. The trigger fire mechanism offers precise control, firing both caps and nails simultaneously with each pull. Built to withstand tough job site conditions, it operates between 80 to 120 psi, ensuring reliable performance while being lightweight at 4.9 pounds, reducing user fatigue. Ideal for installing house wraps, roofing underlayment, and foam board, this tool is a go-to for professional contractors seeking speed and accuracy in cap nailing. The Camo Drive stand-up deck fastening tool revolutionizes deck installations, making it faster and more comfortable for both professionals and DIYers. By allowing users to stand up and drive fasteners without bending or kneeling, this tool significantly reduces strain while increasing efficiency. Compatible with wood, composite, and PVC decking, it works with various camo fasteners for a perfect gap-free finish. Lightweight and ergonomic, it also features an adjustable handle for users of different heights, ensuring comfortable operation over long periods. The Milwaukee M18 fuel band saw is a professional-grade cordless tool, ideal for metal cutting with power and precision. It's powered by the Milwaukee M18 red lithium battery, capable of delivering up to 150 cuts per charge on a 5.0 Ah battery. The saw offers a 5-inch by 5-inch cutting capacity, making it suitable for cutting rectangular, round, or shaped materials. With variable speed control, it allows for cutting speeds between 0 and 380 surface feet per minute, ensuring versatility across materials. Weighing approximately 13.5 pounds, this bandsaw provides portability, durability, and ease of use on any job site. The HOTYELL Log Peeler is designed to make the bark removal process faster and more efficient, reducing both time and effort. It comes with 6 sharp blades that deliver quick and precise results, while 2 high-speed bearings ensure enhanced safety, strength, and durability during operation. What sets the HOTYELL Log Peeler apart is its versatility. It works with most chainsaw models, effectively transforming your chainsaw into a powerful tool for stripping bark with ease. This adaptability makes it a valuable addition to any woodworker's toolkit. The Deburring external chamfer tool is a compact yet powerful tool designed to smooth out burrs and rough edges on bolts, rods, and pipes. It is made from hardened steel, offering durability and compatibility with various materials like stainless steel, copper, and wood. Weighing just 3 to 5 ounces, it's easy to handle, and its internal blades chamfer the ends of damaged bolts quickly and cleanly. It works with bolt sizes from 3 mm to 19 mm, and is compatible with drills that operate at speeds between 200 to 400 revolutions per minute, making it an efficient tool for on-the-go repairs. The Coast CL40R clamp light is a highly versatile tool, perfect for lighting up any workspace or outdoor environment. It features a rechargeable lithium-ion battery and can deliver up to 1,000 lumens of bright light, illuminating spaces up to 170 meters away. Its strong, durable clamp allows it to attach easily to various surfaces, while the rotating head ensures adjustable lighting angles. Lightweight and weather-resistant, it's designed to handle tough conditions and long tasks with ease, offering up to 7 to 8 hours of battery life on medium settings, making it ideal for contractors, mechanics, or outdoor enthusiasts. The Klein Tools Collapsible Dust Bowl is a practical, specialized tool for tradespeople looking to keep their work area clean during drilling tasks. Made from flexible silicone, it easily collapses for storage and creates a seal around the drilling site to capture dust and debris effectively. Weighing less than 1 pound, it's lightweight and easy to handle. Designed to fit cordless and corded drills with bits up to ½ inch, it's perfect for electricians, plumbers, and contractors, especially when working overhead or in tight spaces where dust control is essential. The Ryobi 18-volt 1 plus electrostatic half-gallon sprayer is an efficient cordless tool designed to apply cleaning solutions, disinfectants, and other chemicals over large areas. It works by electrostatically charging particles to ensure even and thorough coverage, making it perfect for sanitizing offices, schools, and outdoor spaces. With its lightweight design and cordless operation, it allows you to cover up to 2,800 square feet on a single charge. The adjustable spray settings provide versatility, ensuring the right amount of solution for every task, while the half-gallon tank is easy to fill and handle. The Makita 18-volt LXT cordless caulking gun. DGG 180 is a powerful and versatile tool that simplifies applying sealants and adhesives. It delivers up to 5,000 newtons of force, making it perfect for high-viscosity materials. With its variable speed trigger, users can easily control the flow rate, ensuring even application without waste. The anti-drip function stops material flow when the trigger is released, preventing messy spills. At just 4.9 pounds, it's lightweight, and the cordless design powered by the 18-volt LXT battery ensures mobility, which is ideal for professionals handling construction or DIY projects. That's all for today, friends. Which tools impressed you most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more amazing tools and gadgets. See you soon.